Creating intuitive project roadmaps and simple to-do lists often involves juggling multiple tools and switching between apps for project management, and this can be inefficient and confusing. This is why businesses now prefer using a multifunctional project management tool that integrates various tasks into a single platform to improve efficiency and workflow. Coda is a dynamic all-in-one project management software that seamlessly combines the power of documents, spreadsheets, and custom apps into a unified platform. With features like interactive documents, task tracking, and data analysis, Coda ensures that teams can efficiently collaborate, plan, and execute tasks on a centralized platform without the need to switch between multiple apps. Its automation capabilities help streamline recurring tasks and workflows, saving you more time for more strategic activities. One of Coda's key strengths is its integration of documents and spreadsheets, enabling users to link information across various sources. Coda's features like built-in templates for project management, team meetings, and goal setting further enhance efficiency, providing ready-made structures that teams can quickly adapt to their needs. Coda also excels in third-party integrations, connecting seamlessly with popular tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and more. With its modular design and AI-powered insights, Coda empowers organizations to grow and streamline their workflows, making it the ultimate solution for businesses looking to streamline project management and enhance team collaboration. In this in-depth Coda review, we're diving into the top benefits, standout features, pricing, and usability of the powerful project management tool. We'll explore how Coda can transform your project management and automate workflows. Plus, we'll share real user comments and testimonials to give you a comprehensive view of the software. So, stick with us until the end of this video to uncover expert tips on leveraging Coda to boost your conversion rates with ease. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description below to try Coda for free. What does Coda really do? Coda is a revolutionary project management software that merges the functionality of a document editor and spreadsheet to help users build and simplify to-do lists and other complex project processes. By integrating interactive elements such as tables, buttons, and formulas, Coda automates and streamlines project workflows without the need to switch between multiple apps. Coda not only consolidates project management, but also empowers teams to create highly interactive, customizable documents that serve a variety of purposes like product launches, meetings, or task tracking. Trusted by industry giants like Uber and the New York Times, Coda's robust feature set, combined with advanced security measures, makes it the best tool for document and team management. Benefits and key features of Coda. Some of the benefits and unique features of Coda include: 1. Powerful workflow automation. With Coda's workflow automation, users can set triggers and conditions that automatically perform specific actions, such as sending updates or creating tasks. 2. Customizable templates for every need. Coda offers a wide array of pre-built templates for project planning, task management, and product road mapping. These templates can be easily customized to fit your specific requirements, saving time and providing a solid foundation to kickstart any project. 3. Interactive and flexible dashboards. With Coda's interactive dashboards, you can easily visualize and track project progress, key metrics, and deadlines in real time. You can also switch between different views, depending on what suits your project best. 4. AI-powered features for increased productivity. With Coda's AI, you can easily generate ideas, automate repetitive tasks, and gain insights on project progress. Coda's AI also offers a streamlined approach to managing tasks and creating trackers, saving teams valuable time while reducing errors. 5. Real-time collaboration and document versioning. Coda allows team members to work simultaneously on the same document. You can easily track changes, view version histories, and even set permissions for who can edit, comment, or view the documents. 6. Unified workspace for centralized project management. With Coda, you can store and access all your project information, documents, spreadsheets, meeting notes, and plans in a unified workspace. This eliminates the need to switch between multiple apps, helping teams stay organized and reducing the chances of missing important project info. Coda's pricing and plans. Coda offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The free plan option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Pro, Team, and Enterprise plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited project templates on all plans. How to use Coda. To get started with Coda involves 3 easy steps. Step 1. Sign up to Coda using the link in the description below and log into the Coda dashboard. Step 2. Create a new document by clicking on the plus or new doc button. Step 3. From the Coda gallery, pick a project template that suits your needs or start your project from scratch. And finally, you can start adding content to your document, including text, tables, images, and more. Pros. Simplify task management by breaking down projects into actionable items. Automation to speed up work processes and reduce labor costs. Coda offers pre-built templates that are prepared for daily tasks and duties. Simplify documents for your team by hiding support pages and archiving old content. View real-time changes made by other editors and see who currently has access to your document. Organize your project data logically, making it easier to sort, filter, and find specific information. Share documents directly via link or through a folder, and choose who can edit, comment, or view them. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons. You will need to sign up to Coda using the link in the description below before you can access its unlimited project templates for free. In conclusion, Coda stands out as the best project management software for teams and individuals seeking a dynamic and integrated solution. Its unique ability to merge documents with app-like functionality creates a powerful, interactive environment that can manage everything from simple task tracking to complex data analysis. This versatility makes Coda a perfect fit for teams looking to streamline workflows and improve collaboration without switching between multiple apps. By offering a centralized platform for managing data, documents, and tasks, Coda ensures a smoother and more efficient project management experience. Its blend of innovation, flexibility, and comprehensive features make it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance productivity and drive successful project outcomes. You can check the link in the description below to try Coda for free, with free access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Coda. If you enjoyed this Coda review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.